Good morning, everyone, from sunny Plainview, New York. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and today I'm going to bring you inside and share all of the interior finishes. I've kept it quiet on the story. I wanted to save this moment for the vlog. This has been Plainview 2 throughout the process, and I've been bringing you here since before we even knocked down the old house. I'm really excited today. I hope all of you are as well. Let's go inside. Welcome to your dream home, also known as Plainview number 2. As soon as you walk into this bright, airy space, you can see all around this is not a builder grade home. We've got over 80 hi-hats in here, amazing trim work throughout the home. This is our large coat closet, dining space right here where you can put your chandelier. Check out these beautiful Cumberland oak floors finished in Duraseal Jacobine stain. And this room right here, I would say, is definitely my favorite room in the house. You've got a beautiful white cabinetry with a contrast dark gray island. This light fixture was a great find. And we've got Carrara Marby quartz countertops. And this backsplash is probably my one favorite detail in the entire house. It's a nice take on subway tile with that rough edge finish, gives it a little bit of that rustic look. It really complements the rest of the space well and adds some contrast. And this wing right here is perfect for a powder room and a gigantic laundry space. You've got space for your washer, dryer, a little folding table, and through this way is your 2-car garage. So picture yourself in the winter time or on a rainy day, pulling right into your driveway, coming right through this hallway and bringing your groceries into the kitchen. We try to think about the people that are going to be living in the homes so we can appreciate their lifestyles and make things as convenient as possible. Now, you've got a lot of cabinets here, but you've also got a pantry over here. And this space is going to add to the amount of stuff you can keep up here so you don't have to run up and down into the basement. And convenience is key. We think about every one of the people that are going to be living in our homes, including mom. Now check out this family room. We always go with the Regency P36 fireplace, made in America, high quality unit, and you can always add accessories like brick panels and things of that sort, but you can't swap out the unit. Most builders use Majestic or Heat and Glow. I'm a big fan of Regency and I'm gonna stick with them. So you've got this nice mantle, marble tile, beautiful trim detail. We always pre-wire our homes, Cat 6, coax. We've got security camera pre-wiring throughout the house, and these little details are very difficult to execute after the fact, but when the walls are open, we make sure to knock those little things out. Now this space right here is your formal living room, and if you haven't noticed yet, this is an extremely open concept. Everybody loves an open concept, but you have to be able to define the space with your furniture, and I think the way the dining room, kitchen, family room, and living room is set up, this is ideal. Now, this feature is crucial. I've told you guys about it before. This is your guest suite. And in this house, we were able to actually make it an ensuite. So as you remember previously, we have a powder room by the kitchen, and this bedroom actually has its own full bath. A lot of times we have to share that full bath with the rest of the living space, but in this case, we've got a powder room and we've got a full bath. And this guest suite is perfect. You could use it as an office for mom or dad, for guests, so they don't have to come upstairs. But this is crucial. You've got a walk-in closet over here. You've got a beautiful, I mean, this is just beautiful. Full bath, Carrara marble style porcelain tile. And I mean, this first floor checks all the boxes. What else do you want? And now we're upstairs where you'll find 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. On my left and my right are 2 bedrooms, equally sized, and you have this beautiful bathroom. I love this floor tile. It adds a nice pop of color with an otherwise neutral palette. And then we've got your 3rd bedroom right here, and you'll see lots of natural light pouring in. This light color, it's called Shoreline by Benjamin Moore. This flooring really adds a nice pop of color as well. And check out this gorgeous master suite with vaulted ceilings, a large walk-in closet, and a stunning bath. Quartz countertops on the vanity, soft closed door and drawers, lots of storage. You've got a beautiful soaking tub here, and this shower, I mean, I could have a party in this shower. It's massive. We've got this beautiful feature wall, subway tile, Lots of nice white and gray tones. I'm a big fan of the way everything came out of this house. As we walk around the exterior of this home, it becomes so obvious that this is not a cookie cutter new construction. And by the way, I've mentioned this in the Huberwood episode earlier in the vlog. This is the only new construction in Plainview built with Huberwood zip system and also utilizing the Advantech subfloor with their brand new adhesive. Just check out the landscaping of this place. I think I bought like 9,000 square feet of sod. We did this beautiful picket fence all the way around the property to define this space. It just felt very naked without it. And we've got sprinklers, we've mulched the flower beds, we've got the shrubs in. I power washed the whole entire house myself yesterday, and this place is really looking like a complete project. Just check out this space. You've got this whole side yard that wraps around. You've got this double car driveway, and it almost looks like this is the end of your property when in fact it's not. When you open this gate, you've got a little private sanctuary where you can enjoy this living space with a paver patio, sod, connections for your barbecue. You've got this beautiful tree. You've got these wonderful arborvitaes, which provide a great deal of privacy. And the level of completion at this build is unmatched. I mean, you go to new construction these days, you get a couple of wood steps, some grass seed thrown on the ground that's not even graded properly. PVC fence, that's a dream. A paver patio, not happening. Double car driveway, no chance. Even this walkway right here, you're never gonna have water issues. Everything pitches away from the house. You've got a gate on both sides, and you've got room for the kids to play. You've got a private area to hang out. And I mean, everything about this build is just complete. It's beautiful, it's thorough, it's luxurious, and it can be yours today. And there we have it, Plainview 2, 100% complete, ready for a quick sale. And I gotta say, I am so proud of everyone on the team for getting this done on time, right in time for the peak selling season of the summer. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Have a great day, everyone.